Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the employee salary calculation system using Java Eclipse project. Now here, first what I am going to do is I am going to go to the file, new. Here you have to select as other. Go to the Windows Builder. Inside the showing designer, select the application window. Next, you have to give the project name here, employee salary. I just give the name as here. You can give any name over here. Click finish. Right, now your project is created successfully. Here you click source. This is source. If you click the design, this is design view. Right, now your first what I am going to do is here, select this window, right click, set layout, absolute layout. Right, now here first I am going to drag the panel. Right, this is a panel. You just drag and drop over here. You have to select and you have to adjust the size like this. The panel size you have to set it like this. Right. This is the frame. If you want to increase, you have to increase the frame. Right, simple one. You have to, right. Frame panel also you have to select, right click, set layout, absolute layout. Here you have to select this one. We need to change the border style. You will be able to change the border style. Soft bevel border, we have to select this one. Okay, right. Now this is a border. Right, now here first I am going to drag the labels. This is employee name. So you right click, so select this one to go here. This is employee name. Employee name. Press enter key. You have to write here the employee name. Select this one. You have to write bold with 14. Click OK. After that, we have the same thing. Control C to copy. Control this is employee. This is employee salary. Select this one. Salary. After the same thing, Control C to copy. Control V to paste here. This one should be the text. After the same thing, Control C to copy. Control V to paste. This is the net salary. Right, now what I am going to do is here, we need a text fields. So this is a text field. You have drag and drop over here. This one should be txt name. Same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the salary. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to. This is the text, txt text. This one, Control C to copy, Control V. This one should be the txt end cell. Press enter key. Now we need a button. Drag the one button. This one should be, you have to make it as a salary. Cal presenting. Right, now let's select the heading. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be, we have to make the heading employee salary calculation. Employee salary calculation. Press enter key. Right, okay, select this one, select this one. Right, select this one. We have to change the color. This one red. Okay, now let's do the program. Okay, now the same button, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This get another copy. This same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, another copy. Right, this one you have to select this one. We have to make this text as clear. This one should be the clear. Press enter key. This one should be the exit. This text should be exit. Right, now first what I am going to say, this one should be, we have to change the name, txt employee name, txt cell, txt text and txt insert. We have changed the name, all the things successfully. Now what I am going to do is go to the cal button, right click. Here we have to event action perform. Now we have to write the program over here. first you have to write here, we have to write, first you have to assign the salary to the relevant variable. So txt, so sorry, so write salary, we have to make it as double salary equal txt cell text box dot get text. You have to get the salary, what the salary you entered here on this text box, right? Sorry, here we have to write double dot pass double. So right here pass double. So right over here. Now what I am going to, if salary greater than 50,000 mean, you have to write salary 10%. We have to include the 10% tax. You have to write text. We have to include the text, 10% tax, right? Double tax, include 10% tax over here. Right. If it is, if the salary is same thing, control C, copy, control. If the salary, else if 35,000, 5% tax, else tax equals 0. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, you have to write, we have to relevant text fields, we have to paste into the text all the stuff. Right. First part, the text should be displayed this text box, net salary display this text box, right? So go to the code, txt text dot set text. We have to write here text, sorry, you have to write string dot value of, you have to write text, what the text you have entered here, it is displayed here, right? You have to display the net salary. So text end cell, so how to calculate the net salary here is, you have to write double end cell calculation, here salary, per salary you are entered here, minus text, what is the text you are calculating, net salary would be calculated. So control C, copy, control V to paste it. This one should be, you have to change it as end cell, net cell, here value of this net cell, control C, copy, control V to see, right? Here if the employee salary, if you enter more than 50,000, this condition should be work. If you enter below the 35, greater than 30,000, if you enter the 45,000, it works belongs to this else if. Below 35,000, work belongs to this else part, right? If the salary is more than 60,000, work this block of code, otherwise go to the else part and check this block of code, otherwise below 35,000, it goes and check the below text equals 0, right? Text we not included if the text become below 35,000. That is the rules of this company, right? Now let's execute the program and check. Compile, right? Now here employee name, let me see, Raja, 12, salary at 55,000. Click 10% should be calculated and display the salary. Working perfectly well. Now clear and exit button, we have to write the code for that. So let's go to the source. Okay, sorry, go to design, select this button, right click, event action perform. Here we have to write this one here. We have to write clear all the stuff, right? So txt name dot set text clear. How the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste. This one salary clear, txt cell clear, salary clear. This one after the text clear, control C to copy, text you have to clear, text txt text clear. After that this control C to copy, control, this one should be the this one clear, text name cell colors, text box clear, right? This after all the things are clear, and focus on the employee name text box. Okay, we have to write dot request focus. Finally we have to write this one, select this one, action perform. Here right, system dot out, sorry, exit 0. Right, that's the code you have to write. Now let's run the program and check. Raja, if it is 30,000, click cal. It's no, if it's below 30,000, 35,000, no text should be 0, no text included. The same salary should be displayed over here. If it is clear, clear. If it is exit the program, it's exit. Right? It's working perfectly well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. All the source code I will provide in my Tutors Funny website. You will be able to get the program, right? Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.